Local news for Tuesday, the 11th of August. Waka Kotahi, the New Zealand Transport Agency, are holding a jobs open day this coming Sunday. They're looking to hire everyone from labourers and carpenters through to supervisors and machine operators. Two sessions are being held, one in Dannevirke and one in Ashurst. This week is Rail Safety Week. Transport Minister Phil Twyford says installing safety infrastructure is crucial, but they are encouraging people to be more careful around trains too. Improvements are planned for at least 27 road crossings in Wairarapa. Businesses are being reminded that applications for the wage subsidy extension close on September 1st. 3 Mile Co-working in Carterton are running a workshop on wage subsidies and employment law this Friday at 1 p.m. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men and women's teams have both suffered losses at the weekend, the women going down 4-3 to Petone and the men 3-1 to Waterside Karori. In hockey though, both Dalefield men and women picked up wins at the weekend and remain top of their respective tables. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.